Hey, good afternoon. How are you doing? We're going to take a look at Math Counts Target Competition from 2013. We're just going to look at problem number 4 right now. Just problem number 4. So let's go to problem number 3. Now, problem number 3 is actually just a really easy being relative, but it's an easier multiplication and division problem. There are 24 hours in a day. There are 60 minutes in an hour, and there's 60 seconds in a minute. So there you go. All right. So question 4. What is the mean of all the possible positive 3-digit integers in which no digit is repeated and all digits are prime? Express your answer as a decimal to the nearest hundredth. All right. Well, first things first. I kind of want to know how many digits or how many possibilities there are. Well, if I have 3 possible numbers, all right, and the set which I can draw from are only primes. Well, 1 is neither prime nor composite. 2 is prime. 3 is prime. 4 is not. 5 is. 6 is not. 7 is. 8 and 9 are not. So I only have 4 numbers to choose from. So how many options do I have for this first of the hundredths place? Well, I have 4 options. If I have 4 options in this place, and I don't repeat, how many options do I have in the tens place? Well, I only have 3, because it's 4 minus the 1 that's here, which stands to reason I have 2 here, which gives me a total of 24 possibilities. Now, obviously, 24 isn't too big. I could find all the numbers and add them together. That would work, but there's got to be an easier way. So let's try to find some possibilities. And I'm going to do this in an organized manner. So let's say we start with 2 as our first digit. So if 2 is our first digit, what are my possibilities? Well, I can go 3 and 5, which means I could also switch that, do 5 and 3. I could do 3 and 7, and that would give me 7 and 3 as well. And then I could also have 5 and 7, and I could switch that and have 7 and 5. So let's take a look at these 6 numbers and see if I can't find a pattern here. Well, I can't help but notice that I have 2 5s, I have 2 7s, and I have 2 3s. Well, wait a second. How many different groups of 6 will I have? Well, 24 divided by 6 is 4, and that makes sense because I have 4 of these numbers. So that means I'll have a set that starts with 3, I'll have a set that starts with 5, and a set that starts with 7. Okay, that's helpful. So that means I'm going to have 2 5s here. I'm going to have 2 5s in this set. I will have no 5s in the units digit in this set, and I'll have 2 5s in the units digit in this set, which means I'll have 6 5s, or 3 sets of 2. So 2 times 2, because I'll have 2's happen twice in this set, this set, and this set. That's 4. It's okay. All right. So I'll have 2 sets, or 2 times 3, and that's 6. I'll have 2 times 5, which is 10, and I'll have 2 times 7, which is 14. And so I add those together. And I will get 34. But this set of 2, this set of 2, this set of 2, and this set of 2 will all happen 3 different times, all the times when they don't start with that digit. So I multiply this together, and so that gives me 102. So all of the digits in the units column will be 102. Well, in the tens column, it's the same digits, except this isn't 30. It isn't a 3. It's 30. So that's going to add 0. So really, that's just multiplying this by 10. So this is the units digits. This is the tens digits. For the hundreds digits, I'm going to multiply my original units digit by 100. So I get 1, 1, 3, 2, 2. And we're being asked for the mean. So we're looking for the average. We know we have 24 total numbers. So I'm going to use my calculator because I'm allowed to. And so we're going to go 11,322. We're going to divide that by 24, and we get a grand total of 471.75, and that complies with rounding to the nearest hundredth. We're done.